Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. I'm your SST teacher of class 7. Take out your history book. Take out page number 4. Today we will study about downfall of Umayyads. Downfall means loss of power. As we have studied in our previous lectures about Umayyad caliphates, that how they have ruled so many countries and that how they had made their policies and rules for the welfare of poor people, etc. So today we will discuss about their downfall, means their loss of power, that how they had lost their power. In 680, the one-sided battle of Karbala was forced by the Umayyads. One-sided battle means? It means that the battle of fight was forced by only Umayyads. Karbala is a ground. You can see this. So, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Imam Hussain, as you all know about him, Ibn Ali, like he was the son of Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and all the male members of his entire family, means all the male members of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam family, with the exception of Imam Zainul Abidin, they were massacred by reigning Umayyad Yazid ibn Muawiyah. It means that Yazid, who was the son of Muawiyah, he had killed the entire family of male members of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam except of Imam Zainul Abidin. He has massacred. Massacre means he had done brutal killing or harsh killing of these people by reigning. Reigning means ruling of Yazid ibn Muawiyah. He perceived Imam Hussain as a great potential threat to his rule. He perceived means that he considered or he thought that maybe Hazrat Imam Hussain would be a great threat or would be a strong warning to his rule in the future. So that's why he had killed him and all the family members of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This was the biggest mistake and biggest blot on the Umayyads to this day. Biggest blot means biggest mark, a biggest mark. So the massacre of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam family happened on 10th of Muharram, and it is still a day of grief. Grief means that intense sorrow or sadness for the entire Muslim world. This also became one of the major causes of Umayyad's downfall. Umayyad family fled. Fled means that they had run away across North Africa to Al-Andalus, to the European continent, where they established the legendary Caliphate of Spain in Cordoba, which lasted until 1031 before falling due to the fitna of Al-Andalus, also known as Muslim Spain. It means that when they lost their power, they usually run away to European continent, and they had established their legendary caliphate. Legendary caliphate means popular people of their caliphate, before falling due to fitna of Al-Andalus. Fitna means that a struggle that causes a civil war. So usually this was about the downfall of Umayyads. Now take out your notebooks. We have to do the exercise of this chapter. Take out your notebooks. Unit 1, the Golden Age of Islam. Chapter 1 is Umayyads. Now exercise. Question 1 is, how was the relationship between Christians and Muslims at the time of Umayyad's Caliphate? As we have studied that they have a very friendly relationship. So the relationship between the Muslims and the Christians during Umayyad's reign was friendly and quite stable. The employment of Christians in large numbers in the Umayyad Caliphate was a living proof of their cordial relationship. It means that at that time Muslims had given many jobs and employment to large number of Christians. So because of this, this is a proof that they had a very friendly relationship in the time of Umayyad's Caliphate. So next question is, the Umayyad Caliphate was spread throughout a vast region. Vast means great region, that they had covered a great area. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons. So the answer is yes, I agree with this statement, because Umayyad Caliphate ruled an area of about 11,100,000 square kilometer, which is the population of almost 62 million people, and it is about 29% of the world's population. So this makes it one of the largest empires in the history of the world. So it means that they had ruled over a large area. So I agree with this statement. Last question is, write the causes of Umayyads downfall, that how they have lost their power, what were the causes. The main cause of the downfall of Umayyads dynasty means belonging to a large family, was the one man leadership means Hazrat Muawiyah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, instead of an Islamic caliphate. Like there was rule of only one man except of the whole Islamic caliphate. Non-Arabs were treated as second class citizens, like as we have studied that they were treated very poorly, very badly. This discontent cutting across faiths and ethnicities, it means that they had this thing has separated their faith, their religion, and ethnicity means their nationality. So it leads to the Umayyads downfall. It means that this was the cause of Umayyads downfall. So chapter 1 is completed. I think this is enough for today. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.